and Lala, we're going to tell you a bit about our style.
So we love vintage shopping. We love to buy anything that's crazy and out there, and basically anything that is unique and nobody else will have, which is sort of the
We're very
point of
into the
vintage.
one-of-a-kind thing.
Yeah.
And we love like random crazy tutus, sparkles, rhinestones.
I love leather. I'm super into leather and leather skirts and leather boots and leather bags and
anything leather.
yeah,
And faux fur.
exactly. Oh
Faux
yeah,
fur is
Izzy loves
awesome.
faux fur.
I love anything like red or silver
Or sequin.
or sequins.
We've been
Sequins
getting
are
very
awesome. I
into
really like
sequins.
sequins.
But it has
I
to be
like stuff with
tasteful
crazy
sequins.
patterns like this.
Right? It can't be the
But yeah.
bad sequins though. It has
Yeah.
to be
Yeah.
the good sequins. There's a very fine line. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
But
there's
there
a
is
fine
a
line in
line.
most of clothing, like too much tutu. It's just like, oh God, what you doing?
Where?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where did your pants go? But then it's like, a tasteful tutu is a brilliant thing.
It's true.
And we also make a lot of clothing. Like Jenna does crazy silk screening, and I knit, and Sophie makes jewelry and.
Yeah. See, I tell everybody that I make jewelry, but really I've only done it a few times, so it's kind
She's
of
very
mine.
good though.
Yeah, I do like it. I make some cuff bracelets and stuff with a little saw and the
And I love doing modifying like our vintage clothing because sometimes it won't fit or they like,
right. You
oh
have to
that's
pin
so
stuff.
fabulous.
Yeah.
Since I'm so small and petite, I have to pin stuff a lot of the time. So I have safety pins like all over my room in all of my bags, just like tons of huge ones.
And
The mini baby.
you know,
Yeah.
yeah.
And also Jenna actually made us really, really cool silk screen shirts.
Yeah, I
once.
made
Oh yeah,
I
mine's
made-
of Jimi Hendrix.
Yeah, hers
It's
is
great.
Jimi Hendrix and hers is Iggy Pop. I made them for Christmas holiday time.
She's
Yeah.
very talented.
Mhm.